everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I am excited to introduce you to the brand new pattern by Sew Yours Patterns, the Charlotte shoulder bag. This bag, again, she's a brand new designer. This is her third bag that she has designed and it's absolutely amazing. And if you're part of my bag makers community, the pattern is amazing. Anyways, let me show you some of the features of this bag. So it's a good size medium shoulder bag. I do the strap as adjustable because we're all of different sizes and shapes, and some like to wear it crossbody as well. So this is extended up to 60 inches, so it works for everything. On the back, we have a decorative slipper pocket or zipper pocket, and on the front we feature some very intricate three-line top stitching, which is super fun. There's different ways we can do closures for this. We could do flip locks, we could do magnetic snaps. Now the inside of this bag is where it's all at. It has a central zipper pocket or zipper divider pocket, which is awesome. Good size on both sides, as well as a decorative lining zipper pocket here as well. So yeah, I truly love this bag. You can get it made in fabric, you can get it made in faux leather, you could get it made in a mixture of fabric and faux leather, you could get it made in leather. This bag can be made in pretty much any kind of textile you would want me to make it in. So if you want to place a custom order for this bag in your choice of fabrics and hardware colors, you know what to do. All my information is below. Get me on social media, shoot me a message, and we can start planning your bag. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there is a tutorial on this one, so go check it out. Look for it on my channel and you will see how amazing this pattern comes together. Anyways, thanks everybody for tuning in, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.